On top of the fabric, place the pattern. Outline everything with the chalk and after cut it off. Grab the pattern and place it on the scallops edge. Outline everything with the piece of chalk and after cut it off. For this project you will need the elastic lace, some stretchable fabric. I'm going to use a 4-way stretch polyester, soft lining fabric for the gusset, the fold-over elastic, the elastic for the straps, the rings and the sliders, and my rings and sliders are 10 mm, the same as my elastic. Some needles to pin the fabric, the scissors, the lighter, the threads, the piece of chalk to outline the pattern, and the pattern. You'll find the link in the description box below. Place the front elements face to each other. After, go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here. When you finish to sew, it should look this way. Grab the scissors and cut off the leftover of the threads. Place the lace element on top of the fabric and align everything together. Then grab the gusset with the main fabric and face to face place it on top. Next, grab the gusset with the lining fabric and with the face down place it under. Pin it with the needles. After, open the gusset this way and roll the front element inside. Then take the back element and place it face to each other. Then grab the lining fabric and place it on top. Now go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here. Cut off the threads. After, eliminate the leftover of the threads with the lighter. Grab the fold-over elastic and sew it on here, here, and here. In this place here and here, keep the free space of the elastic. I'll say around 2-3 centimeters, so we can sew on the straps later. This is the fold-over elastic, and you see this line in the middle? This is the fold place of the elastic. Now, grab the fabric and place the fabric in the middle of the elastic. Fold the elastic this way and after, sew here. When you sew, you don't stretch the fabric, you stretch a little bit only the elastic. When you finish to sew on the elastic, it should look this way. Fold the elastic this way and start to sew without any fabric inside. Then grab the fabric and place it in the middle of the elastic. And continue sewing. Now it's time to prepare the straps. And for this you will need the ruler, the elastic for the straps, and the rings and the sliders. Then grab the pattern and check the amount of centimeters according to your pattern and cut the elastic. And by the way, do not stretch the elastic. Grab the lighter and burn the ends of the elastic. Grab the slider and put the elastic inside. It should look this way. Do the same with the other straps. Go to your sewing machine and sew here. When you start to sew, make sure that there is no any metal object like a slider under your needle. Next, grab the ring and put the elastic inside of the ring. Take the same end of the elastic and put it inside of the slider. Now grab the ring and put the elastic inside of the ring. Do the same with the other strap. Now grab these two straps and put the ring on one of them. And then put the elastic into the slider. Next, grab the second strap and put it inside of the same ring. This strap should look this way, and after grab the rings and add it at the end of the elastic. Go to your sewing machine and sew here, all of them. Now grab the strap and put the elastic of the panties inside of the ring. Pin this place with the needle. Turn the panties on the opposite side. And do the same with the back element. Go to your sewing machine and sew everywhere where you have the needles. Cut off the leftover of the elastic. Then grab the lighter and eliminate the leftover of the threads and the fluffiness of the elastic. This is what I have so far, and now I want to add some cheeky details to my panties. For this I'm just going to use a simple pendant and I'm going to attach it in the back of the panties. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!